The Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, and its tributaries of Himalayan rivers formed a vast northern plain. 20 million years ago, it was a shallow basin. It has been gradually filled with varied alluvial soil by the rivers coming from the Himalayas. The Indo-Gangetic Plains broadly consist of three divisions: the western part, the central part, and the eastern part. The western part. The western part was formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The tributaries are the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, and the Sutlej from the Himalayas. Most of the Indus River basin is located in Pakistan. Minor portion in Punjab and Haryana in India. Doab feature dominates in this region. What is Doab? The fertile land between the two rivers is called Doab. See in this map Doabs from Indus and its tributaries. The central part. The central part is known as the Ganga Plain. It extends from the rivers Ghaggar to Tista. This part is mainly spread in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and partly in Haryana, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The Yamuna, Son, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa, Gandak, and Gomati are some important tributaries of Ganga. The eastern part. Eastern part exists mostly in Brahmaputra valley of Assam and mainly formed by Brahmaputra river. It surrounded by the high mountain on all sides except on the west. The Himalayan rivers deposit gravel and pebble sediments in a narrow belt of 8 to 16 kilometers width found parallel to foothills of Sivaliks. This zone is known as Babar. The Himalayan rivers deposit gravel and unassorted sediments in fans along the foot of the Sivaliks. This pebble-studded zone forest beds is known as Babar. Small rivers and streams flow underground through the Babar and reappear in lower areas and forms a swampy and marshy region. The region had thick forest and rich variety of wildlife. However, owing to migration at the time of Indian partition, most of the Terai zone has now been cleared and used for agriculture operations. In the south of the Terai, the plains are composed of alluvium deposits. The older alluvium of the floodplain is called the Bangar, whereas the new alluvium is called Kadar.